Are you ready to fly? That was a watcher bird. They are so annoying. You see, you have your bird watchers. And then you have your watcher birds that watch everything you do. They'll watch you eat, do your daily chores, do your taxes, sleep. I suggest you get rid of them if you enjoy your privacy. Okay, now, let's fly.
The runway's dusted with morning dew. The silver bird waits in the golden hue. My hand steady, my heart takes flight, chasing the sun through the fading night. High above the heartland, where the clouds roll wide. I'm leaving the earth, but not what's inside. The sky's an open highway, stretching far.